He took somebody's cell phone one
This is
day
Ralphie.
and smashed it fast as they could get it back.
Good, then I don't have to take no phone calls.
Hi there,
In
Ralphie.
fact, it was one of Junior's grandsons that it.
Oh, does that go
Hi,
through
Ralphie.
Tammy's boy? No. But you could be 10.
He might be jumping for you in a sec.
Cool. Come on. Hold on.
Hi.
I'll see the monkey.
He's posing.
Yeah.
He usually sits on the couch with us in there and watches TV, but if you reach over and touch Mary,
How you doing, bud?
boy, he'll yell and slap
Beehive.
you so fast.
Beehive.
Yellow jacket.
Yeah.
Back and forth, back and forth.
He's
gonna
actually
pace.
pretty nice. Like he was companion for a senior citizen, you know, go fetch his brains and pick up the telephone and you know
You can
those
do that?
types of- oh,
That's
yeah,
pretty cool.
Howard's saying no.
He's wanting Mary.
Yeah.
You're having to poop on that.
Like, come back.
Well, it is on his rear. They can't exactly wipe unless you stick their hand back there. And then when they're going to wipe it on? Exactly. They're used
What are they doing? Come on.
to. She had one that was about 5 times that size.
Okay, let's get some pictures now. Hi, Ralphie.
He got